guys ngabe ku podcast eso ye blind date bangilethela umngane wami umuntu engibloma naye ngotsheni engibhema naye cabanga yabona ukuthi awu ngizwe sengizwe ukuthi awu macala ngithi
every time ngithola ichance ukuba yi-one I make sure I watch porn, so I believe ukuthi into engeke isaphinde irabeke empilweni yami because I always watch porn.
There's a say mahamba nabantu ababhemayo uzobhema, mahamba nabantu abatshotshayo usenzani uzoshota, mahamba neyicepezana uzocepezana. No,
abanye abantu bagcoka lezi zinto ezincane for ukufitha ini kwezinye igames. For ukufitha ini ukuthi umngane wami
ngizothini mina abantu amazana bangifuna ayangifuna and there's nothing I can do. Sithola amatheko abantu ayangifuna.
I hear you.
And yabo kunamanye abantu amazana angazi if ngibhizi nabo or yibo ababhizi nami.
Hi guys, before getting into today's video guys, t-shirts are still available, 200 each, 350 for 2. Get yours today. Enjoy today's video. Thank you.
Sanibonani, sanibingelela kwabasha to the channel or kulabe sazobamkela kule channel sithi aye. And if umutsha abafethu, don't forget to like, subscribe and press that notification button so that every time we drop indaba ziqale zifike kuwe. Ngiyangazi angiqali noma ngiyivula ingakasho ukuthi lo khulumayo uNtsako ngobuza intombi ezinye intombi naza ngamiwa nje bafethu ngizophonsela intambo ngapha kulabe ngaba nabo baqale bazintroduce ngithe banyapha
ya bafethu matimpulse la
shosha bafethu shafula
yeah bafethu kana yasehlathini ngikho.
Otherwise bafethu, this is Lady Makaveli intombazana yenu yase West. Ikhasha macherweni.
You
hayi bafethu ke namhlanje ngiphethe guest njengoba seliz introduceile bafethu angiyabiziwana. So bafethu namhlanje just nje to break the ice yabo sizokhuluma ngesquad banyana uma like ukuthi ucabangana ukuthi yini ama takeaways or yini
manje banyana as in le yebola.
Yeah, le yebola. If like in sports and not like mostly la hlala ibola. Almost sonke kahle hlala ibola bafethu. So uMaZungu uzositshela ukuthi yena ucabangani ngalento le yonke leyenzakalayo. Leyenzekele ku squad bafethu.
Yeah, mina guys ku squad ngicabanga ukuthi like baphushe kahle ne. Baphusha kahle and nale game le in Nigeria, Labour badlala against Nigeria. If like bani sirkado, if beganga limalanga, bebazolwina like in there. So ukuthi bavele bawumoya because like we play labo silvelela labane injury a bit. Mara otherwise banyana bezobuya for a couple years.
So why is it always abantu abamnyama like mabaluza abahlezi bafuna ukuzana ama excuse ukuthi if usibani bangaza
no leya free kick leya. Okay, ukuphendula Tsako ne ukumphendula. Okay, obvious my sister you understand ibola ne like ibola lento leya ya rotate lento leya like amalanga awafani fana amalanga awafani. Sasa nyeke uca futhi uzokhabatheka or nyeke ukhabatheke plus lapha ya mina ngokuya kwami iSouth Africa bezwe emapenalty neNigeria mina ngokuya kwami because ne ma ibani angazi ubani lokelo khabathekile bani selgasi makakhabatheka bavele bawumoya ekhona lokhalile bafethu
and no referee khiphanga ishirele i-red card lapha ya next nje
and South Africa can do better bafethu ngibonile can do
better from okay something marafone nifo shuthwe wanda walimana nyo umoya yalokuzaphendula namasithathe kanjani shaya lento kwabele manje ibhede ngoba nakhulumisa umoya
yazithathe kanjani let's say ni squad esquadini sakho ncancane mangalimali we-1 kwenzakalani
hayi baba impilo iyaqhubeka
ebholweni I feel like banyana even if igame beyihard kithi ne we tried ukuthi siyibalansise and then angeke ngithi Nigeria ishayile because ithola igoal ngepenalty angithi kokuqala bese-goal penalty
Yeah.
nathi sabuyangani nepenalty bezibambene then uSalgado wenzani walimala imoya yabantu yayehla
plus bese wakhala bocesana lapha
you understand so obviously bese and LS2 igoli lesithu ngokubona kwami ugelo lishayeleni lapha basishayile
bekangazi bekazitshela ukuthi ubhekele la bhola before lingena liqale la bounce bekazitshela ukuthi lo weplayer uzolishaya ithepini bese uyalibamba kanti ibhola loya alifikanga ngendawo lento leyo oSalgado bangena indawo ilela igoli yabona lo Camila noma bathi twana how marara bafethu uDlamini nimbhekeni uDlamini uye wayovimba la like ibhola bafethu if niliboni libounce enyaweni ngalo bekazitshela ukuthi uzolishaya kanti lo makathi akafika inyawo lifika ngebholweni but ibhola libounce langena epalini siyayibona uDlamini ntwana ne libounce uthini libounce enyaweni but le ntwana neshaye njengoba usitshela ukuthi ibhola okay hi guys angiphiki ne wonke umuntu unamaphutha ne mara linyenzeni libounce lenza libounce yashaya noma uyabona ibhola malize okay libounce ne ontwana libounce uDlamini angithi Willis man ugoalkeeper ubona yonke into uDlamini mara sifos kanti if kaDlamini mara ntano sala number 8 orubani webanyana ubani konje lingene nayo ugela uDlamini limdlulile lo yagela ngesibhodlele alishaye libuye kanti uzothi mangalishaye akathintanga na uDlamini ngenela lapha sishayile jera kufanayo bese last year bekuyitha ama defending champions this year bekuyitha ama defending champions last year sifulile na jera and besizoyihlala noma ngepuna ne let me tell you something mentality yenu mani umoya ubani player le I'm judge no relax okay hi yo relax ngiya kule point la halo sisi ne ubani my sister ne ngiya ku point lakhe ne akusho ukuthi umuntu maka umoya lo umuntu lo okhabathekile uthembelekini bafethu ukuthi lento ifana nathi mina ngizocompare kithi bafethu coach I think beka wrong coach kucansi sidlala makunamasapa sidlali once hamba si 11 or si 10 siyadlala siproduce ama results a grand beka namhlanje sidlalile mbali
namhlanje
mara masigcwele sidlala udoti mawubona masapla more than 6 sidlala udoti so into ezincane zwisana umoya bafethu ama player uSalgado I think mina ngibone replay ulimele then ama player awumoya
ukuthi traumatized guys asasasale guys
mina
la goal leya mina faki ukuthi ukulimele bani alela goal leya yabona lela goal leya tana ne ulimele leya it's okay kasi yeke lo bizosixabana bafethi mara libe okay
angeke ngimphikise ibhola uyalibukela kadlali and then lo usishela ukuthi yena makudlala isquad yena ufavor amateam angaphandle but thina so i3 sine view e1 to our squad because but achieve more than achieve more than enough
wena so ichaza ngenyike
that's why so ukuthi ne South Africa yabakwatelanga ukuthi
okay if like they wrong ne like you don't understand even if like they wrong yes in South Africa
makudlala bafana bawaluzile iSouth Africa la but ibanyana they always support whether it's lose or yini bahlezi bakhuluma words of encouragement abayiwisa umo even manje aluzile saluza nani kuma penalty i3rd place ukuthi swing bronze but still South Africa like stand tall behind amantombazane.
Moving on guys ne I got a question for all of you guys ne Girls, as abafana batek, including everyone. Madimples, now you can answer this one, but I never seen you to a game miniskirt or something. But this is about clothing. Angizange ngambona nje. I fake miniskirt.
Enevele ngiyayibona lento benikhuluma ngayo ebholweni ikhona. Sebeyakhulumelana. Guilty as charged.
Let me learn. The question is this name. Why ladies wear miniskirts? Only to find out which mawuphume endlini. Ubhizi uyazidonsa nje. And vele sinezohlangana nawe usubheka. Mawudlule sipinde usubheka again. So I just want to know why ladies wear miniskirts. You're gonna be uncomfortable once you step outside your house. You're not gonna be.
I think like abantu amaningi peer pressure.
Njani, I don't understand.
Like abanye abantu bagcoka lezi zinto ezincane for ukufitha ini kwezinye igames. For ukufitha ini ukuthi umngane like abona phela esithole yo mina yazi mina intombazana ngobegama sithole. Mina sithole like yo.
Because I never seen you wearing anything.
Mina sithole like nje lezi zinto lezo mina nendaba nazo sithole ama miniskirt konke nje ngendaba lamanye amantombazana lawa peer pressure ukuthi ngifuna ukufitha ini kulaba because bayabona ukuthi mangafaka mina sithole ngihlezi ngifaka izinto mina sithole wena bafuna ukufitha ini nje skimini ukuthi yabona laba bayenza so bafake lezi zinto lezi ezimnyama lezi konke nje
Solene, irregardless, we shouldn't be judges, variable.
Okay.
Yeah, like we shouldn't be judging other people. Like for when it works for you, right?
Yeah.
As much as Nami Diki said works for me.
Yeah.
As much as you don't do makeups and all that, like I vouch for that because like surely wonke umuntu ongazi uyazi ukuthi angazi ngafaka makeup angifaka ama lipstick, Vaseline one way and all that ne.
Vaseline.
Smart. So it's not even about peer pressure. Like in most cases, we like things. We like things. Like ngiyathanda ukufila engathi ngumfana guys. Or ukuthi maybe nginethwini nomfana. Like ngihlezi and like angifisi maybe like
I didn't know.
So like I feel like maybe kumele ukuthi nami ngumfana yabo so uNkulunkulu maybe yabo uyenza mistake yabo so guys surely mangeli bantu befaka amazipho ama eyelashes. It's my second time in my eyelash and it's my first time in my ziphini and I was like let me try yabo ngibona ukuthi kahle ile queen nalamantombazana athanda izinto bafila ini and to be honest guys after getting my nails I was like after 2 days and I was like grand angisawafuni kuyimanje guys bengifuna umuntu ozongikhipha like ngikhathele like le survivors wami izinto ukuthanda izinto shame ukuthanda izinto you know it's not even about peer pressure ningablame abangani sharp sometimes abangani mara sometimes yithi vele ngoba sithanda izinto
and it's never like friends bafethu mawuke wabheka enye into uyazidecideela ngeke kuforce
ukuthi uyenze kanje ngeke ngithi kuwe ayanda bulala umuntu bese nawe uyambulala bese mabakuza ukuthi awuleli makhapheni uthe usukufuna now you won't do something you don't want.
But guys, they say that ne mahamba nababhebi uzogcina enzani ubhema. That's relax sakhuluma mina sakhuluma mina hi guys sakhuluma mina they say mahamba nabantu ababhema uzobhema mahamba nabantu abatshotshayo uzenzani uzotshotshwa mahamba neicebhezana uzocephela no guys angasho ngathi guys that's a lie
umuntu wenza into even if you are exposed like to ezinye izinto but you choose ukuthi you know ithatha mina mangikhula mina ngiyilesbian mina ngikhule nabangani aba straight nabangani aba-meeting nabangani
but you don't do all those
you
things.
can
It's up to you. It's up to you.
uba exposed to something, uba exposed to umbhemi, uba exposed to whatever, then wena as umuntu wena you decide ukuthi mina ngizoyenza into enza abangani bami or ini. Mina bafethu ngikhulela abangani bami, mina I would get bored sometimes. Abantu bami badlala bo truth or dare nabafana nan but
I'm
standing tall
like
now.
I was one of those people begathi if and like umngani wesigebengu isigebengu, if umngani wakho unyawupe shuthi na unyawupe, until like I grew up with some other guys makamaya bayabhema and all that, like ngikhule nabo ne shabu angibhemi just because bayabhema it does not mean ukuthi umaqala makazongihonta ngeke ngemphendula. And abantu banalento ukuthi okay sis lady Makaveli aphendula ayanda no ubhema ama drugs. So akusho ukuthi nami ngiyawabhema. Kwazi bani ukuthi untwana mangihlana ngiyamtshela ukuthi intwana lento le idenke. Nan fele it's up to yena ukuthi uyafuna ukwayeka ngeke ngikufaka ispoon emlomeni mfana. Ngeke uthathe ihashu uyise in emfuleni ufika uthi drink. You won't do that, you understand? So that's that. So that's that. So uyabona
I feel you
sesingamane esikhuluma mara it's not true. Mara in some cases it's like that vele mara bakhona abasifihlayo umuntu angasho ukuthi hayi mina ngibhema maka nayo yasibonela ukuthi ayiyabhema.
And then nawe ezumbona bheba never think ukuthi umngani uyobonile yena bam-expose to that environment
bekahleli nabantu ababhemayo
yena wathi ngishuthi mnandi le because mina I believe if bhengiya ngabangani maybe nami kuba nabantwana 2 1 because mina abangani bami beba-straight guys like isengiyasho I'm not saying it's a bad thing, I'm saying ukuthi mina ngilesbian angithi ngithola namantombazane but ngikhulule namantombazane ajola nabafana anabantwana. If lento le umthelela why mina nginganamntwana, why ngingana history yokulala nomfana, why ngingana you get
as much as ukuthi ungani
not ukuthi ngithi ku wrong ukuthi umuntu azali.
Okay, mina ukuthi I took chance guys. I took chance.
No guys, I didn't say that guys. So I was
I bless into the smoking the dating thing like guys.
they need one. Mankhuluma kathi namfimba. So
khuluma the stage is yours.
No, yasile guys angisho mina ne angisho ukuthi like usuke uyidala yamthola usuke isigebengu matana nani isigebengu yabo. So mina ngibona kwa angisho ukuthi usuke isigebengu mawisigebengu yabo matana nesigebengu. Mina ngokubona kwami mina ngifunde brown vele ngithola ngizibona isibhayi khona ufaka isicephe sasa nayo ufaka isicephe
mara
okay ima uzoqhubeka ne askis ufunde brown dash.
Yeah.
So ngoba abantu bahlezi basho ukuthi abantu abase brown dash abekho right
baphendula
ukuthi nawe uphumelele.
No
samukuyisho njengoba ukuthi ungani
mina ne guys ne mina ngilo muntu lo vele yabo ayi mina inkinga mina ne ngilo muntu
lady Kavela athi ngikuphendule mina angithi mina nithi guys kwesinye isikhathi kusuke kuumuntu ukuthi ucabanga ngani. Mina ngokubona kwami sithi kwesinye isikhathi like okay kuyaba yiko lokho ukuthi umuntu ozicabangelayo mindset yomuntu ukuthi thanda izinto
Uthanda
thina maka kuba khona leso sikhathi sokuthi peer pressure sokuthi ngifuna ukufitha in siba khona leso sikhathi angithi siphinde sibe khona futhi naleso ukuthi uthanda izinto uthanda nje izinto nje pha
ufuna ukuzibonela nje
yeah uzoyithula izinto zasebenza peer pressure ukuthi uthanda izinto
mina nentana yami osengidlungise nentana yami izungu ne yabona le peer pressure asithi kuyilahlela lecele kancane ima before you reply. Yabona silahlelela ecele ntwana enye into akusi peer pressure. Abanye abantu bafuna ukufitha in kwezinye izinto like abangabelongi kuzo. Yabona mina ne cabanga sishaye mini skate ntwana.
Into engishoyo
okay kunani
No, I don't judge. Ayikho inkinga ne mara on my side ne mina ngokukhula like mina yewe ngikhule ngakhona environment engikhule kuyo like nje mini skate for mina ne
kuyela kulento
mina umngane wami bekayilesbian ilo bekahlela mostly amantombazane abafana but ngimile through whatever ukuthi mina ngile thing That's why mina abangani bami wesa babeka like ama-Portuguese ne wagcina sewabhema like i-crystal mara still ngisase grand amantombazane agcina yenza into zabo eziphambukayo but still mina ngisasela because I believe ukuthi ngumngani ngoba ngifuna ukuba umngani not ukuthi ngi-influencer yilento lezo zenzayo so into isengqondweni yomuntu if wena umngani wakho uyafeba and wena uyakhalela na uzofeba ngoba wena ukhalela ukufeba
intaba azogcina
angeke ube i-reflection of whatever umngani wakho ayiyo unless if wena uyafuna understand mina guys I've been like umngani umfana umngani untombazane so mara namanje ngisamile mos nangibona mos
you're still standing my brother
nachithi mos
ile ngoba zesonto esikhumisa isikhumba kanje
so prasole lapho ngalapha xosisele nenye kanje shumiso
Oh, another question.
yes
Okay, I'm still cooking.
True. Yakhumbula last time we did the blind date thingy.
Yeah.
Why don't you do lesbians or bisexual people? Yeah, but I feel like okay, as in angibathanda abantu abadiscriminate.
Yeah.
Guys,
What do you mean?
No, you know what hurt me the most, guys?
What happened?
Is that hey guys, ngaba ku podcasters. Blind date. Bangilethela umngani wami umuntu engiploma naye ngotsheni engibhema naye. Cabanga yabona ukuthi awu ngizwe sengizwe ukuthi awu macala ngithi ayibo kanjani.
No, but like no, Tana. My apologies, because me, I didn't know anything.
That's why
No, but like I didn't know anything, bro.
Imagine untwana makashika like namize yazi ukuthi ayibo kanjani bayenza because lo muntu umntana yengotsheni everything and nakhona mangizothi hayi angimvumi untwana uzobona ngathi maybe uyalekho something so kwami ngivumi ngenkani anemaya ngivumi
but like
nah we didn't ukuthi like on the podcast we were like I sazokhuluma and all that no, because we knew ukuthi we friends and
no, but like I didn't pull that on.
So I mean I thought am I dating?
Yeah, you are. You are dating.
Yeah,
Why?
I told it. You're outside, so
Okay.
Sorry.
Mina guys, I'm much of an experimental person. Okay.
Cool. Really?
So yeah. Kahle it's ngitshele iqiniso guys. It's important yabo.
Sure.
Futhi nawe surely I lied to you many times. Nakhona I didn't lie guys. Ngizothini mina amantombazana mangifuna ayangifuna and there's nothing I can do. Sithola amacheko abantu ayangifuna.
I hear you.
And yabo kunamanye amantombazana angazi if ngibusy nabo or yibo ababusy nami yabo. Ngingaba live ku TikTok yabo. Ngathola abantu mina sebangitext abangicela ama number. Omunye wangishootela igallery yakhe une folder yami yezithombe zami zonke. Nezithombe engasenazo. Icheri yomuntu and usishayile lo muntu uyajola so like uyajola umuntu mara ubhizi na mangaposta nje ngomunye umuntu avela kwathi hayi mangathi anonymous messages lapha ku WhatsApp kwa comment intombazana uvela afaka umess nejuba elifaka insango la
Icheri
kaba like akethile shame yazikhamba angazi guys yabo ntingazi ukuthi ngigeza ngesunlight and all that yabo mara amacheko abantu ayangithanda feel yabo nakhona guys hey mina Ngi straight ne, mara ngikho straight. Kahle singenibekele no friend. Ayikho bi mina. Ngi straight mina.
Bye.
No, full guys it's ngitshele. No, mina ngifuna ukutshela. No, mina ngifuna ukutshela. No, okay guys. Ngifuna ukutshela ne. Angifuni ukuthi umuntu adecide ukuthi iman guys. Ngi straight okay ngimamele. Ngi straight nje ngoba ne. It's only a pity ukuthi like amantombazana always mistaken me for iles and all that, you understand. And then I'm very shame ngoba hayi mawumuhle vele mina I don't mind yabo since you iles mawangishela noma kube ngishayile I don't mind being less for you for the whole part no mawangishela it's fine I'm gonna be less and then we're gonna date so I'm straight mara just because like I know I'm cuz I'm amantombazana yeah ukuthi I'll tell you
uyiphuzela le masechela
Stole. Ayiphuzi igazi laka Jesus oyinde. Ngicela it's getting heated. Anisi.
No, ngiyashela manje mina ngicela ukuza.
Ngomduthi.
Anginamagama mina ne. Ngoba ngizokunyikiza mangithi ngizama.
Okay, hi all.
Ngofake.
Khayeba. Yazikhamba
Mawungifaka enhlizweni yakho. Ngikuphekele, ngifake enhlizweni yakho.
Shuma yazikhamba ne. Guys. Siyantshela ukuthi khona ukufuna you understand. Angithanda ukushare feel yabo. I'm one person like let's create yabo. No like sengiyatshela yabo uyangishare. And I just know ukuthi akekho umuntu oku age yakho osengqondweni eright osingela at the moment. If you're single, if you're single, ne, at this age, it means something is wrong with you. You understand? Unless you have a valid reason. You
I'm sharing your live on podcast.
Zako.
My brother.
Okay, like I said, Stolene.
You said
like me, Nane. Okay, you said ngizophendula manje. Ngifuna like guys, I just want to be clear ne. I just want to be clear ne. I don't want anyone ozohlangana nami estradeni azothi I'm this or I'm bisexual ne. I'm saying ngistraight ne. Ngistraight. Mara njengoba ungaapproach ne. And njengoba ngizishaye ngawe. It means since when are you less? I'm willing to be less for you. Mara mina. Ne. Surely I'm not less. Mara because we are Mtando Muntu, I'm willing to be less for you. For the whole period, like Sizochola, I'm gonna be less. But once we break up and I meet a guy, okay, but if I was shy no muntu or I'm willing to be less for this whole period, even if it's 2 years and all that. I'm willing to be less. Mara wadlala ngami ngahlangana nomntwana president I'm willing to be straight. You understand?
Loyal.
Yeah, I'm very loyal.
Loyal.
Ngiloyal ne ukuthi maybe so ngakwata vele yabo maka ifoni yami ungayibambi ngalala nakwe makwazi ukuthi kunamantombazana akhuphayo yabo ebusiness ba honest phambi kwabantu ukuthi
I love that cooking and I love the cooking guys. I love the cooking. It means a lot. It really means a lot.
Okay, my friends, live on podcast.
We have a match.
So guys, do you kulento Lady Makavele proposile yema date for a lesbian? Would you guys like to be part of it?
I mean, I will know how people
I'm asking you, wanna try to pull that down now?
Mara, you know, Solene.
Sure.
They might not be up for it, but surely there are some people who are up for it. Yeah. You get it. Yeah. The last time you had guys, right? And you had, I don't know, guys, if the gay word is not appropriate to you guys. I don't know what to call y'all, but then you understand. You had guys and gays, right?
Yeah.
And then the guys, like, they described the type of woman they wanted and all that. Then Abanye, they even wanted to fill the girl's body only to find it was a guy.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So for girls, it's also
fair.
It's fair. Like what type of girl I prefer. You understand?
Gotcha.
What if like mina ngisfunela istufuza or ngisfunela someone like Ntako? You can never know. You understand? Exactly. So
what is funela?
Mina ngisfunela umuntu ozongithanda. That's just that. So it does not matter ukuthi like umfana or intombazana. You understand? So if it's a guy, I'm willing to be straight. If it's you, I'm willing to be less for you. For the whole period, maramang hetha ngahlangana nomntwana wepresident umfana wangishela. Naye ngizotshola naye ngiphume kuye ngithi so grand. Shuthi mangihlukana nawe ngisase lesbian. Maramang nawe ngizovele ngibe lesbian ngoba uyiles, you understand? I hate sharing and I don't want to share. I'm not bisexual. Yes, let's talk. I beat up a person only bisexual because I never date a guy and a girl at the same time. You understand?
But why girl ungas described as bisexual?
Yeah, because I don't want to. Because
you are.
I'm not.
Yeah, we bisexual.
Okay, shoot. Okay, guys. Okay, if you guys decide what's in bisexual, then you guys are gonna allow me to date Unzago and a guy at the same time. And
no, okay.
You understand? And then
you bisexual doesn't mean a good thing. I describe being bisexual as like you date like both genders.
Yeah.
But
yes, different.
Like
oh well, to me guys, about what if you understand? For me, it's me dating Unzago and dating Ustore, just like that. But anyways, guys, Shapu, mina money proud with nama bisexual, nama lesbians and all that. Me sharp, mina bafetu, new lady wakaved. I'm not a bisexual. I'm straight. Yes.
I got you.
I'm glad you got me. I'm glad you got me.
I got you.
Exactly.
Okay, I got a question for you all. Shuffle, I'm coming to you. And you must. I know you're busy checking. You guys must answer. I'm coming to you straight.
I'm okay, so before you go there. Before you go there. Okay, guys. Before you go there. Okay, guys. Yeah, we are both saying inking young tablet with meeting by some food basras. Okay, guys, I'm gonna understand it. I put your one young is in this. Maria, if I had to choose, if I had to choose between being bisexual and this, I'd choose being this. Because like most of the times, I dated girls, guys. As much as I said last time, I was like, dating a guy was an experiment, you understand? I was into girls and maybe being a Sandela Mantombatana because now we want to have a freedom. So, yeah. So, and then one day I decided, Yazin, it's in born, it's people are cheating and all that. Sharp, maybe and I realized I was not even meant to be dating guys and all that. You understand? That's why like being an explainer the way I like being a fungun explainer like the right way, you'll understand. That's why I never did na ba otherwise I'm not into guys and all that. Yabo. Mara maybe kona lo engeng aba maybe weekend the knees for all that yabo. Mara mara nje ngizithandela amantombazana bafethu. If I had to choose between dick and pussy, I'd choose pussy. So guys, it's up to you all. Go to me. I decide what to me any Shout out to
Okay, guys. I have a question for you all. What is one addiction that is very hard to quit or to get out of it? Sala ngawo shafula.
I didn't hear the question. Really good.
Okay, question question addiction. Ne?
Meaning not.
It's either now. It's either all now, and it's very hard to quit this addiction. You know you have this addiction.
I'm addicted to naked girls. I'm being honest.
Yeah.
I'm being honest. Now, it depends on uthi ugelo njani yabo. Yeah, there are people ongathi nawe mawuthi uyambheka shini nanabe bathi unyawubesi mawuthi uyambheka nanoma so imagine ngcono bengeke umhalela mara kunamantombazana nabo bona ukuthi yabo if bengi out mfana ayingabe ngiyamkhadlaza so mina ngiba my type yabo so I mean I'm advising girls if you ever get a chance to bath near me if you azazi ukuthi awuyazithemba mfana don't do that because shame guys mina yo ngiyathanda ukuthatha ama chance and one thing I know about myself I'm irresistible. Yes, that's my addiction.
The question is what? Okay, Shaful.
Aye.
But you're talking. I'm taking. You're taking. Okay. What is one addiction that you have? Ne? Maybe it's very hard for you to get out of it.
I'm addicted.
Okay, Shaful, answer this one.
I'm addicted to guys. I'm addicted to Zintezitune.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm addicted to Amabele. At the same time, I have a very serious addiction when it comes to porn. Like,
Yeah.
porn lives with my head. Yes.
Guys, we gotta come to y'all. Let Ntsako cook.
Like beside Amashana Nanka. Yes. Every time it's only chance to buy one. I make sure I watch porn. So I believe good into engengisaphinda irabeke empilweni yami because I always watch porn buffet. Ngalala ngo4 ngibukela iporn. Like I am
one last chance.
Sure.
One last chance. Nithi mina nenzakho. Njengoba uthi nanoma kungenzekani wena nje mawuthola ichance uzobukela iporn. Mina I'm giving you an option. Kungcono uyeke ukubukela umtronyo so practice sithi why
Utswana nesothatha videos.
So basically that's the thing was ukuthi ukubukela abanye abantu.
No stress because obviously